silence makes people confess. Now, these are the key points. Silence creates tension. Tension makes people talk. Over-explaining looks weak, and calm silence looks powerful. Now, whenever you're having a conversation with someone, or maybe when you ask someone a question, or maybe when a question is asked unto you, instead of just jumping in quickly and start giving explanations or answering, when someone asks you something, pause, become silent for like 3 to 4 seconds. By being silent, it creates tension in their own minds. First, they will start asking themselves, did I ask the right question? What is he or she thinking about? Did I make a dumb move to ask that question? So that silence creates a debate in their own minds. So they're debating if they're actually doing the right thing. Then when you actually answer, they will pay attention. The other way which silence is also important is when you are asked or when you are speaking, then you put dramatic pauses or silences in your statements. It gives more power to what you are trying to say. So when you talk, then you pause. That pause lets the subject or what you are talking about sink in to the mind of the one who's listening unto you. And remember, people who cannot be at peace with silence, they always end up over-explaining themselves. And when they over-explain themselves, they end up spilling some things that they were not meant to say. So learn to embrace the power of silence. There is more power in silence than speaking. When you are silent, you learn more than when you speak. And that is a very important principle to learn.